Hi, my name's Maggie and I'm with the CalFresh Healthy Living Program. And today we're going to be making some healthy peanut butter toast. We're using the whole wheat bread and some fruit slices, so some banana and peaches, peanut butter, and some cinnamon on the top. So we have to toast our bread, so we're going to go ahead and do that. While we're waiting for our bread to toast, we're going to chop up some of the fruit. So I'm just taking the peach and chopping that up. And you can put as many or as little slices as you'd like, just like this size, pretty thin. So we're going to slice the banana now, and we have to cut off both ends, so do that first. And then you can peel off the banana peel. And you just can slice the banana as big or as little as you'd like, but I like to do smaller slices. Just like that size. So we're just going to go ahead and make our toast now. And the first step is to add the peanut butter on the top. I'm just spreading this all over the top of the toast. And you can put as much or as little as you'd like. And peanut butter is a really great and healthy source of protein, so I'm going to put a lot on my toast. I'm going to make one with bananas and one with peaches. I'm just setting them nicely on the top here. And then the final step for the toast is just to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top. And there you have it. Final peanut butter toast with some fruit slices on the top.